Damn it! Let me see. So can we eat it? Wow. So how do you make chocolate? What's this? Oh my gosh. Is it recording? What's so cool?
3 weeks later, 12 o'clock midnight.
Welcome to my channel, Tiote Productions. I'm Lisa Tiote. It is actually midnight. So I actually can't talk too loud. So if it sounds like I'm whispering, I probably am. You might be asking, why am I making chocolate at midnight? Why? I actually been wanting to make this video, but I just can't sleep. So let's make this video now. I wanted to make chocolate because I went to visit Abidjan, Cote d'Ivoire, West Africa, as many of you guys would know. And that inspired me to make chocolate because I've seen a cocoa bean for the very first time ever. How do you make chocolate? So it was so cool to me, and now I'm inspired to just make chocolate at midnight.
12 o'clock.
I was told and I read about how cocoa bean farmers, many of them do not get compensated, not nearly enough, you know. Yeah, you got all these chocolate businesses making billions and billions, but these cocoa bean farmers, a lot of them have hardly even seen chocolate, the end result. That's gonna be a part of my GoFundMe as well. If you guys watched my last video, I'm having a GoFundMe if you guys want to read that. I want to invest in small businesses over there because they just deserve it. It's just a lot of exploitation going on, and it's like, I'm trying to be part of the solution. So I'm gonna watch a YouTube video and try to figure this out. So most of you guys probably don't know, but I do speak French.
By sheer coincidence.
And I do want to say the ingredients in French and in English because I don't know how to do the whole translation thing. My aunt wants to start a chocolate business back in Abidjan, West Africa, and I want to support her. I want her to start it because you can't be in a country where you're #1 in exporting cocoa beans and there's barely any chocolate businesses. So this part will be in French real quick. Tu as besoin de cacao en poudre, lait en poudre, I have an accent, sucre en poudre. Tu peux pas voir bien, mais c'est sucre en poudre, huile de coco. Et puis maintenant, tu as besoin de ça pour mettre le chocolat là-dedans. Quand tu as fini, tu mets ça dans le frigo. When we're done with all of it, you just pretty much have to put it in the chocolate in here and then put it in the refrigerator. Hey guys, I'm just editing this video. This is future Lisa here, and this video just turned into an ASMR unintentionally. So if you're into ASMRs, this is your lucky day. If you don't know what ASMR is, it's pretty much just a video where you just like listen to the sounds of what people are doing. It wasn't intentional, but here we are.
Brief construction montage. Much later.
So it's been a few hours now, so I'm gonna go get my chocolate. So cute. Success. I now know how to make chocolate, and you do too, so this was a success. C'est comme ça on fait le chocolat. Okay guys, I just wanted to make this video randomly. That's pretty much all I got. I finished my chocolate, it was a success, so that was very cool. And I wanted to show anybody who doesn't know how to make chocolate like I didn't, how to make chocolate. And hopefully somebody in Abidjan sees this so that they can make chocolate as well, because they actually have the freshest ingredients to make chocolate. So yeah, that's all I got for this video guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching and bye.